So students, in previous video, we learned the preparation of primary alcohol from Grignard reagent. So here in this video, we will see the preparation of secondary and tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. So preparation of secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Okay. See, this secondary alcohol, to prepare this secondary alcohol, you can take any aldehyde. Okay, so this is very important note, keep it in your mind. For the preparation of secondary alcohol, you can take any aldehyde except formaldehyde. For the preparation of primary alcohol, you can take formaldehyde. Clear? For preparation of secondary alcohol, except formaldehyde, okay, you can take any aldehyde. So please keep it in your mind. And the same whatever we learned for primary alcohol, the same steps only to be followed. So I'll give you example for this. Here I'm going to take ethanol. Okay, CH3 C double bond O H, ethanol I'm taking. To the same methyl magnesium bromide I'm adding. So just what you have to do, you have to add this Grignard reagent to this. So here it will be CH3 CH CH3O MgBr. Okay, OMgBr. Then what I told you, you have to do hydrolysis in the presence of dilute acid. So that hydrolysis only I will show it here. So what happens here, H and here OH. The bond breakage will be there. Here H and this side it will be OH. So product will be CH3 C CH3, here H OH plus MgOH Br. So what is the product formed here? The product formed here is propane to all, propane to all. Okay, so this is what the preparation of secondary alcohol. Next is preparation of tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Okay, so for the preparation of tertiary alcohol, you can take ketone. Okay, so CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr. So the product formed will be CH3 C CH3, here CH3, this O only I'll write this side. Okay, O MgBr. Then hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acid. So what happens here, H and OH, you are doing hydrolysis, that only I'm showing it here, please don't get confused. Okay, hydrolysis. So the product will be CH3 C CH3 CH3 OH plus MgOH Br. Okay, so what is the name of this product? 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl propane to all. So this is what the product formed. Okay, so this is how you can prepare primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. For primary alcohol, for the preparation of primary alcohol, you can take formaldehyde. For the preparation of secondary alcohol, except formaldehyde, you can take any aldehyde. And for the preparation of tertiary alcohol, you can take acetone, propanone. Okay. Next, the last method of preparation is from primary, from aliphatic primary amine. So you can prepare alcohol from aliphatic primary amine. So here what you have to do is, this aliphatic primary amine, you have to treat it with nitrous acid. Then you will get primary alcohol. Okay. So I'll give reaction example for this. What you have to do, aliphatic primary amine. So primary amine, you can write CH3, CH2, NH2. Primary amine. I think you know what is primary carbon. One carbon will be there. That particular carbon will attach to one carbon or no other carbon atom, that is primary carbon atom. So here I am talking about primary amine. So NH2, you have to add it to that primary carbon. Okay. So primary amine you are taking. So what is the name of this one? Ethanamine. Ethanamine. To this, what I told you, you have to add nitrous acid. So what is this nitrous acid? HONO is nitrous acid. See this nitrous acid, you can prepare it from sodium nitrite and HCl. Okay. So that preparation and all you don't want to show it here. Just you add nitrous acid to ethanamine. So here the product formed will be CH3, CH2, OH. That I will write it here, CH3, CH2, OH, ethyl alcohol. Okay. Then this nitrogen will get removed as N2. What else is remaining? H2O. Okay. So ethyl alcohol is prepared. That is primary alcohol is prepared. So this is how you can prepare primary alcohol from aliphatic primary amine. So this is what general methods of preparation. In general methods of preparation, we had prepared alcohol from haloalkenes. Next, by reduction of carbonyl compounds. What are those carbonyl compounds? Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and esters. And in that, what I told you, what I told you to keep it in your mind, for carboxylic acid and esters, you can add lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. Okay. And for aldehydes and ketones, you can add hydrogen, platinum, or lithium aluminum hydride also. Okay. So that is what by reduction of carbonyl compounds you can prepare alcohol. And what is the third one? Preparation of primary, that is all the three monohydric alcohols from Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent, what you have to do? You have to add Grignard reagent in the first step. Second, you have to do hydrolysis by dilute acid. And what is the fourth method? From primary aliphatic amine. So this is what about general methods of preparation of alcohol. Next we will go with the industrial preparation of alcohol. That is very important.